In this video, we'll explain Rescale Factor, a property of fidget DC motor controllers that is available in position controller and velocity controller mode. Setting a rescale factor allows you to change the units of position, velocity, and acceleration from the default unit of encoder pulses to something more intuitive, like rotations or degrees. When we first open the position controller channel, these units are all in encoder pulses. A velocity of 20,000 pulses per second is difficult to conceptualize, especially when the actual position moved will vary depending on your encoder and motor specifications. We can set a target position for the motor, but the default units are not intuitive. Rescale factor lets us easily change to something useful, like degrees. In order to calculate the rescale factor we require the gear ratio of the motor and the resolution of the encoder. Both can be found in their respective specification tables. By inputting the gearbox reduction ratio and encoder resolution, we can quickly set a rescale value. Now we can enter a target in degrees and the motor will move accordingly. Here's how the rescale calculation is done behind the scenes. The encoder outputs 300 quadrature cycles per rotation, and the encoder interface on the motor controller records 4 pulses per count. There are 360 degrees in a rotation, and then we divide by the gear ratio of the motor's gearbox. Intermediate units cancel out, leaving us with degrees per pulse. The same process could be used to calculate rotations, radians, or any other unit that's helpful for your application. In velocity controller mode, you can use the same technique to rescale velocity in RPM. The manual calculation is similar to the previous example. 300 cycles per rotation, 4 pulses per cycle, 60 seconds per minute, and then divide by the gearbox ratio. This concludes the overview of the rescale factor property. For further reading, see the position controller and velocity controller API guides. Links are available in the description of this video.